Okay, students, in the previous class I have given question and answers notes. Now focus on grammar, means grammar part, third one. See children, what they have given in that third one. Rewrite the first sentence of paragraph 2 in 3 sentences. Means for questions you have to refer page number 30. What? Page number 30. See, here see, upside second one, it is a lesson, second paragraph. Okay, what they have given, see, in the year 1608 a man called Hans Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope, the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. Okay, this paragraph you have to be do what you have to, according to this, what you have to do. Third question, rewrite that sentences into 3 sentences. That one, paragraph 2, you have to do it in a 3 sentences. Okay, now see. First sentence, you can do it. A man called Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope. Okay. Second sentence, what? He invented the telescope in the year 1608. Okay. Third one, the telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. Okay. Next, what they have given, see. Next, in page number 30 only, down. Next, rewrite this sentence in 2 sentences. Which one? Each sentence must have 7 words. Means this sentence is there. No, rewrite this sentence means this sentence. Which one? Galileo's was the first telescope that was ever turned towards the star. This sentence you have to make what? In 2 sentences. That also each sentence should what have 7 words. How many? 7 words. Okay. Now we will see. Galileo first turned his telescope towards the star. Okay. Second one, no one invented the telescope before him. Okay. Children, see fourth one. What they have given, say, reorder. What a jumble words. Jumble word means here and there it happened. You have to make that one in a proper sentence. Okay. Like this, how many? See here downside, 17 words. How many? 17 words are given below. For the last 2 words, only clues are given. Make a sentence using these words. Okay. The 17 words means earth, but, include, trip, on, expensive, does, free, the, living, is, it, a, around, the sun. He and why they have given. What is the answer for that? Every year. Okay. Dash what it will? Every year. Okay. Now see what they have given question in that first fourth. Write down your sentence punctuating it. Okay. We have to make it in. It is a jumble. We have to make into a proper sentence by punctuating it. Means where we have to put the full stop, we have to put it. Okay. Now see. This one, living on earth is expensive, but it does include a free trip around the sun every year. Okay. This one jumble. This is a all jumble words. You had this one into a proper sentence. Okay. Next, see children. This is what second question. What they have given. Read your sentence to your partner. What Beaton question? Read your sentence to your partner. Means you are not having in your school now. Then what you have to do? Which one you have to sentence read? This one. Which one? Which one? This sentence is there. No. Living on earth is expensive, but it does include a free trip around the sun every year. This one, read it one time aloud. Okay. Next. See, question number C. What? Question number C, what they have given? What does the word it refer to? It refer to, see, here it means what? Here see, this it what it is referring. This it what it referring in the sentence. Okay, what it refers to, what? To living on the earth. Okay. Question number D, see. Which word in your sentence should you emphasize? Emphasize means which one stressing here. Read the sentence again stressing this word. When we read that one reorder the jumbled words, no, that one to make a proper sentence in that. Which one is the most? Free trips every year around the sun. Okay. Here which one stressing the words? This one. Free trips. Which one? Free trips. Okay. Next see. Question E. What? Question E. What they have given? Did you get the joke? How many free trips have you made so far means what you will tell? As many trips as my age. That is one type of joke. No, this one. Okay. You have to write in your fair note this one. Pronunciation. What? Pronunciation. See fifth one. When you say the following words, you stress the third syllable from the end, means when down. These following words when you pronounce means the third syllable will stress in this. See first, we will see this first word. Okay. This is from the end they are telling. See one, this is second, this is third. Okay. See astronomy. See. Here see when you hear that one means how the third syllable is stressing here, astronomy. Okay. Like this. And you should remember that do not stress the consonant sound in the syllable. What you have to stress? Vowel sound. Okay. Stress vowel sound means already you know that A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Practice by saying these words properly. Okay. Next see. Astrology means this one, third syllable. And biology. Okay. And this one see. Geology. Okay. Here see. This one. Philosophy. Okay. See. Democracy. Demo. Mo. Here see third syllable was stressed here. Okay. Here see physiotherapy. Okay. Democracy. Next downside aristocracy. Okay. Plutocracy. Okay. Now we understand that is just which one stressed here, third syllable from the end. Okay.